Hey everybody, Mountain Grandma here. My name's Tammy. Thank you for coming to our channel. Today I'm going to be making a pain oil for our dog who suffers with arthritis, and I'm going to be using all these herbs that you see here. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Disclaimer, I'm not a doctor and I'm not a veterinarian. Again, this is for topical use only, and this video is for educational purposes only. So I accept no responsibility for what you do with your herbs and your pets, guys. Do your own research. Now, on to the video. The goals for this pain oil include inflammation reduction, pain relief, supporting the production of synovial fluid, relaxing muscle tension, and treating nerves that are in that area, as well as stimulating healing. All right, the first herb I'm going to mention a lot of people haven't heard of, and they need to. Jim McDonald, a famous herbalist, refers to this herb as being one of the most unrecognized values that we have in our herbal toolkit, and it is Solomon seal root. It is safe for dogs. I'm actually going to have 50% of the pain oil is going to be Solomon seal root. That's going to be like my base because they can also ingest this. And I'm going to be putting it on girlfriend's little wrist on her front foot. So I know even if I wrap it up, she's going to get to it and lick at it some. But basically, this restores health to tendons. It's also good for bones, sprains, ligaments, things like this. It's great for that. Okay, I'm going to bring in a companion herb for my Solomon seal root. Horsetail. Horsetail works synergistically with Solomon seal root. It also produces a lot of collagen. I'm going to be making an oil with all of these herbs separately because this, my friends, is going in my face oil. That's right. It's a collagen booster. So when I go to create my infused oils, I'm doing all these herbs separately because I will use them for different things, and I don't want to just throw them all in one oil together because then I won't be able to do that. All right, arnica. There you go. Arnica is great at treating injuries involving bruising. It's great for alleviating muscle pains and strains. So dogs can tolerate a little bit of arnica in small doses. All of these other herbs that I'm adding to the Solomon seal root, dogs can tolerate, but in small amounts. So I'm using them in small amounts with the Solomon seal root being my base. All right, next up, licorice root, guys. Licorice contains glycerin. That structure itself is similar to a natural corticosteroid. It's going to help to relieve the inflammation. It's going to alleviate pain. It's going to reduce joint swelling from arthritis. We're going to take advantage of that and include that in our topical pain oil. A dog has a lot of nerve endings in their paw. So I'm including St. John's wort because it restores, heals, and reduces pain in nerves. And last, but certainly not least, we bring in our wonderful friend, calendula. Marigold, guys. Marigold is a lymph mover, and that's, you know, we have a lymph system in our body, but our lymph doesn't move unless we move or unless we give it some action to move. Calendula helps with impacting the movement within that joint, because if you can move the lymph, get everything flowing through the joint, what you're going to have with all of your body's fluids going through there more, you're going to have healing come into play. So I'm including that to just kind of help with the healing. And friends, if you could do me a favor, if you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing to our channel. And remember to hit that notification bell. I will have upcoming herbal videos that I'm going to be sharing, as well as a bunch of other fun stuff we do. So hope that you'll follow us along. Thanks for watching. Please keep an eye out for part 2 of the dog pain oil series. And remember, everybody, keep your joy.